Here we have a client that suffers from severe case of alopecia. And here we're going to shampoo, condition the scalp, clip her ends, and I want you guys to sit back and see the finished results to a non-surgical hair replacement. Okay, you guys, here you have. This diva has received her non-surgical hair replacement, and she's loving her curls and her thick, gorgeous hair. She's smiling under her mask. And yes, she has been conditioned, her scalp has been treated, as well as her ends been clipped. Now, as you sit back, I want you to enjoy this small clipping of this gorgeous style on this diva.